Now this is my electronic stripper, and I'm in a one-bedroom apartment, and this is a heck of a lot easier than stripping by hand, which I did for years, and believe you me, this thing is amazing. And I've had this machine for about 3 years. And I definitely agree that organization with this machine is the key. This is where you can just set your depth that you need and just run wire like crazy. Especially when you do the THHN wire or the stranded wire, you definitely have to set the height correct, because if you get it too deep, you got little splinters all over the place. So what I do is I always cut a few pieces, probably about a foot long, and just run them through first. And you need to get it just enough where, well, I like to do it where you just get enough your fingernail in there and tear it apart. Like I say, once you get it dialed in, it's amazing. And now we do the solid wire. All in all, this is a really good machine. I've done a lot of people that have the hand cranks, and it's still a little bit of work, but yeah, I love this machine. It's made a lot of money. It's paid for itself probably, I'm gonna say 10 times over. And it does really good on aluminum wire as well. So it's a really good machine. I definitely suggest you get one. Make sure you like and subscribe my video, and I thank you for watching.